Hello everyone, this is Brandon Davies from expungement.com. I'm making a few videos here to explain the expungement process in Kansas. Now, generally people will come to me trying to get their record cleaned up for a couple of reasons. Either one, they're having difficulty finding a job, two, they're having difficulty finding a place to live, or three, they're just tired of having this negative stigma attached to having a criminal record. Now, once I've sit down and consulted with the person, find out where their crime took place and when the crime happened, I'll consult the Kansas statute. There's a specific statute in Kansas that will lay out exactly what can be expunged and when it can be expunged. It breaks it down essentially into a couple of parts. Crimes that can be expunged after 3 years after the person gets off probation, crimes that can be expunged after 5 years, crimes that can be expunged after 10 years, and crimes that can't be expunged at all. Now, once I've consulted the statute, I'll then begin to draft a petition. The petition for expungement has certain specific language out of the law and out of their case file. Once I've drafted that petition, I'll also draft a proposed order. The reason I draft the order is so that if the judge decides to sign off on the petition for expungement, they have something to sign. Once I've drafted these two documents, I'll take the documents down to the court in which the person got convicted. Generally, I'm going to pay $119 just to file the paperwork. While I'm there, I'll also check to make sure the person has paid all their fines on the case. After that, I'll take a copy of the filed petition for expungement and the proposed order, and I'll drop it off at the DA's office. The district attorney will then review and make a determination on whether they want to sign off on the petition. If they sign off on the petition, then it'll go to the district court or the court in which the person got convicted, and then generally the judge will sign off on it. Once that happens, if the judge has signed off on it, it'll go to the court and the order will be filed. And then the court will send out the necessary notifications to the Kansas Bureau of Investigation to pull down a person's record. The only hiccup in this process is when the district attorney decides not to sign off on the record or the petition. When that happens, then the case just stops right there. And your lawyer has an opportunity then to file a notice for hearing with the district court or with the court in which the conviction took place. And then you'll have a hearing in which you'll present your side of the case on why you feel it's in the interest of justice or the public good to have this record expunged. And the DA will have an opportunity then to tell the court why they don't feel the same way. Then it's up to the court to make a decision. And then you go through the same process of if the judge signs off on it, then it gets filed with the district court, and then they'll send a notice out to the KBI. If you find yourself in a situation in which you want to have your criminal record expunged, feel free to contact my office at 913-732-3014 or visit kansasexpungement.com for more information. Thanks.